Hi guys, my name is Mandy and welcome to ShitMendyCooks kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make stir-fried chicken with ginger. Alright, let's get started.
Hi guys, it is Napa here and I'm going to walk you through the steps of how to make the dish. First, we have sliced chicken pieces. Then we have Julienne ginger but not too thin. Then we have spring onion chopped into 1.5-inch long. And we have Chinese mushroom. You can use other kind of mushroom as well. If you use Chinese mushroom, you can soak it in water to soften before cooking. Next we have chopped garlic. And then we have red sliced chili for decoration. I use a spicy kind, but you can use non-spicy chili as well. For seasoning, we have oyster sauce, soy sauce, sea salt, and sugar. Right, that is all for the ingredients. Let's move on to the preparation part.
Don't forget to ปักตะไคร้ สับตะไคร้ Just kidding. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.
Alright, now we're gonna start cooking. First, you want to set your pan over medium heat and wait a little bit until your pan is hot. And then you can add a little bit of cooking oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. When the oil is heating up, you can add chicken pieces. Stir fry until the chicken is almost cooked. Next, you can add chopped garlic. And then now, we're gonna add ginger and our mushroom. Then just stir fry it a little bit until they mix well together. Then we're gonna season with salt, followed by sugar, and then soy sauce. Lastly is oyster sauce. And then stir fry it until they mix well together. If your stir fry is too dry, you can add a little bit of water and wait until your stir fry is simmer for about 3 minutes to let the ginger and mushroom to soften up. Alright, and then next we're gonna add spring onion. So after spring onion, we're gonna add the red chili and then mix well together. And then we are done. Next, we're gonna show you how to serve the dish. In Thai style, we like to serve stir-fried chicken with ginger as a main dish, and you can have it with steamed rice, share with your friends or family, or serve it as a single meal. Alright, see you in the next one. Bye-bye!
I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like, please like and share to your friend. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ring the bell so you don't miss the fun content. And I hope to see you on the next video. Bye!